Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name's Ailey. Today's video is going to be just a really quick one. I just had to share this with you guys. So this probably is common knowledge. I just thought that it was worth a mention. Now, I have products that tend to dry out. I've already done this one, but I have like products that go like genuinely dry and they get like ruined, and it's so annoying. I think because it's so cold here as well, it just happens. So like eyeliners, my Benefit brow was basically unusable. It was so dry, and I was looking at, I think is it the inglot mixing medium or mixing drops or something like that, and they're just, I think they were kind of expensive. I can't even remember. They were a little bit more difficult to get a hold of anyway, and I came across this. It's a new product from Revolution Pro. It's mixing liquid. It is very liquidy, and it is for this exact purpose. So just for example, let's take, so my pigment pomade from Revolution Pro has gone a little bit dry. I was a little bit gutted when it happened, but basically it is just a little bit on the sort of iffy dry side now, which none of us want. It makes it really difficult to work with. And if I take a little bit of this and just pop it in the top there and swoosh it around, it basically does that. That has saved my brow, which is in my eyebrows today, which was so easy to work with once I did it. And I mean, I don't know if it's going to now stay like that or if it'll dry out again, but I mean, if it does, I've got this massive big thing of this. I'll put on the screen how much it costs as well, but I mean, even for doing anything, like if that wasn't a little bit dried out, you just wanted to liquefy it a little bit to create a look, I think that this would be such an amazing product to use. So real quick, a few of my other ones were having the same problems. So my red is like completely rubbish now, so I'm going to put a little bit in that, and it's not oily or anything like that. I mean, I actually have, this was insanely dried out, and I was so annoyed because I absolutely adore the shade of this, and it was basically dry from the day I got it. This is the Mr. Bing Cream Gel Colour Liner from Colourpop, and mine was always dry, and I think if you go back through previous videos of mine you'll see it, but I put this stuff in it and it's even in my waterline, and now it works so much better. So I know that I'm now going to get use out of this, which I'm delighted about, but there we are. I just think that it's brilliant. And you can get it on revolution.co.uk or you can get it on Superdrug. I don't know if you can get it in Superdrug because I was looking in mine, but mine is a very small Superdrug. So it, you know, might be kind of more difficult to get a hold of things because they don't stock everything. And even the stuff they do stock is usually sold out. Blue one's not as bad, but I'll just show you what it can do. Oh. So it makes them all sort of a really nice liquidier consistency. And see up here, this is the result of me accidentally dipping my red brush into my blue pot. And it's made a beautiful sort of lavender shade. So you can actually use this. I mean, I could mix these before, but they didn't mix as nicely. But you can actually use this, make them more liquidy like that, and mix them together and make different shades. So yeah, that was just a really quick sort of, I wanted to jump on and just let you know about this because this is like the new thing, best new thing since sliced bread for me. I think that I'm going to have so much fun mixing all of these together, making different shades, and hopefully coming up with some different sort of colourful looks or something. I don't know. We'll see. Hopefully, if inspiration hits as we're going to come into spring and stuff like that, that's what I'm planning on doing. So yeah, that is it. Obviously really nice and quick. If you want to pick this up, I will list it in the description box for you. But yeah, Revolution just keep coming out with good stuff, and I know they're coming out with more. They have to stop because they're going to bankrupt me. But that is it for this video. So if you enjoyed, obviously I would love if you would give me a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. I post videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, so hopefully I will see you guys in the next one.